guys, welcome to my channel. This is just a short video to show you how I took my hair from this to this before adding any styling products. So remember, this is bare hair. Keep watching to find out how I did it. First, I blend avocado and banana with a couple teaspoons of water and poured it into a bowl. Then I added some essential oils. The ones I chose were tea tree oil, peppermint, rosemary, macadamia, and castor oil. Then I blended it until it was smooth.
Ooh, I really hope this works. Now here, now we have something. Add a little bit of mayo. I'll come back. A little comparison. Oh, my hair is in need of some serious help. Anyway, let's see what this does. See, this is cool now, but my hair is so dry, I feel like I need to add a conditioner to this. And this took way too long, this section. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going. So it looks like it's, I don't know, but it feels like it needs a little bit more moisture. So I might have to go add something to it. My hair over here acting like it's content being dry. Like I added water, and so you're just gonna let that water sit there. Okay, cool. Where you going? Way longer than I expected. Okay, so I think it's time to go ahead and take this off. Like dripping all down me and it's all sticky. Okay, okay. Feels much better. Ooh, yes. Guess I'll take one out so you can see what it's looking like. First one in, first one out. I'll call that a success. See what it looks like when I wash it out. First of all, I just want to know, before I wash this out, can we just acknowledge the difference? Y'all remember what I came out here with? Because let's just hope it stays this way. That is all. Do you can y'all see this? There's a little bit of poop up here, but that's because I ended up washing it upside down unintentionally. But this side I washed out in twist. I'm not even sure if it's all the way out. Let's see. So at this point, I'm kind of wondering, what was I avoiding by not getting back in the shower? Not really sure, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back in the shower. So I went through, put all my leave-in in the shower, and this is what we looked like before I put the cream in. Not too shabby. Then I'm just twisting it up. So hopefully I'll remember to show y'all what I get when it's dry. But I'm pretty pleased. There you go, put the cream in. It's funny because this one part of my hair, oh, my phone's gonna slip out of my hand. You can kind of see like all the different textures in my hair, like just from this one part. Great, just great. Anyway, that's it. How do you not leave your hair? By the way, it was still wet when I woke up. Let's look.